guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Got the X-Class, got some batteries and some ESCs, APD 120 amp ESCs.
Yep.
Zing, big boys, 4214, 400 kV.
Yep.
These are
R-Line 4006S.
In series for 12S.
Yep.
Gem Fan 1310 props.
TBS Source X frame.
Yep. And the Fox here, what is it, F405?
Foxier F405.
TBS. Not that anybody flies Spectrum anymore.
Spectrum,
TBS Crossfire.
On the, what is it? It's stock, right?
Stock. Stock everything.
50 volts, baby. Okay. I just gotta send it. I don't know. Come over here. Alright, chill back there. Peanut gallery. Actually, we gotta do a speed pass here. I feel like they do punch harder, these batteries, though. That's so fun. Look at it. Oh, yo, that actually pushed me back a little. Sounds so cool.
Do like a far circle.
What do you mean?
Like just go out like and around, do a big circle. I guess you probably can't see it that well.
I like. Sounds so cool.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Sick. Woo!
The RCAddict.
Oh yeah. Yo, the batteries aren't even that hot. Nice. The motors are pretty hot though. Yeah. Those batteries definitely, I don't know, they...
Feel it?
Yeah. They needed to warm up though.
Yeah.
Like it was faster like in the middle than the end.
So I wonder...
The motors...
Unplug it here.
The ESCs aren't even warm. Feel the ESCs.
I'm doing 8 gauge.
What is that, 8? Oh,
8
I thought it was
gauge.
10.
So
They're like the same temperature, if not cooler, than when I ran these on 8S with the Master Rescue Pro.
Alright, so clearly they're gonna at least...
here, Seth, you gotta hold it for scale.
Takes my hat.
Here, hold it.
Hold it.
Yeah. It's larger than him.
That's not true. Here.
Oh, jeez.
Nice. Thank you, Tyler.
Ready? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Alright. Ready? When are you gonna?
It's actually welcome back to another video, though.
Okay, alright.
Oh, amateurs,
Hey guys,
amateurs.
what's up?
You gotta say what all the parts are.
All three of us at once say the parts. I don't know any of them though.
Tyler, you can say the parts.
No, I don't want to do this. No,
Okay,
this is
go.
too much.
Alright, ready? Well, hold on. Look at the. You gotta look at this. Alright, you gotta do it too, Seth.
Me?
Yeah, you have to
gotta
say
do
it too.
It's your channel.
Oh, wait, what are we doing?
Hey guys, what's up?